never make it home back from war. That's why me want each and every
Jamaica, my come.
Like a baba right here.
In the bush.
So those are the young ones, but they're almost now to be went out. Like once they get 2.5 years, they will send them out to go and depend on themselves. So they will be solitary from after this.
Tiger. Big one too.
Yeah, that's the warthog in between.
Pumba's walking across.
Pumba.
He stopped walking.
Fit you up, fit in the morning as I rise. Why? family, we're not only concentrating on the main road, you know, because here we are in Barry Hill. We have done a piece before, and as you can see, work is going on the other piece. So we're grading now, and sooner than later, Barry Hill. When tractor mash up your video, sooner than later, Barry Hill, you won't have to be popping off your foot in a pothole. Sooner than later, Barry Hill will have carpet. How you feel? When you don't say Barry Hill soon get carpet. Woo! Woo! You? Right here. Right here, this is where the first section of Barry Hill that we did a couple years ago stopped, and this is the other part now. And as you notice, we are making sure we put in the drain to protect the road. So my East Portland family understand, on the highway and in the byways in the community, the action team is at it, because we know that we need proper infrastructure for our collective prosperity. Right here up in Moortown, Nanny group of the Maroons is up the top there. Look on this road. This was done a couple years ago. This is what the action team is working towards, where every road in every community have carpet and white line. We're getting there, and we will get there. The action team is at it. Right here.
Hello.
Mr. Bernard. Mr. B.
No.
Let me explain it to you. Thanks to the government of Jamaica, we are in the process of redoing the bridge so that it can fit into the nice highway when you're driving straight from Hector's River to Kensington. A government that is working for the people. I'm standing on the old bridge. And that work up there is to ensure that once the actual work starts on the bridge, that will be the bypass for traffic until the work is finished. So they're working on both things. So sooner than later, Portland family, I'm so very sorry to have missed the Rebuild Jamaica check presentation. Beautiful Tuesday morning. As far as your eye can see, bus after bus after bus after bus. How you feel when you know, say, 100 bus going there on the road to take you home, or take you to work, or take you to school? How you feel? On this beautiful
You have a finance minister that we have been blessed to have. The transport portfolio, like many others, is a lifted boat today.